What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026. We're here in the glam room with my makeup fully done because today I'm going to be giving you an organizational video using Vanity Collection's Alex 5-drawer set, okay? So we're just gonna get right into this because I feel like this is gonna take me most of the afternoon and I am overwhelmed. My ADHD brain is excited because maybe I'll get some organizational stuff done, but it's also overwhelming. So we're just gonna go right into it. We're just gonna, we're just gonna go right into it, okay? Before we get started, be sure to click the subscription button and the notification bell so that you can be a part of the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube. The Glam Fam know exactly when I upload because you don't want to miss what I got coming up, okay? We got a lot of good things coming up and we got a lot of stuff that's great that's up already, okay? So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you click that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get organizing. So I follow, and if I pronounce her name incorrectly, please forgive me. Y'all know I read things how I see them. So her name is Rafika Akhtar on Instagram and Twitter. I follow her, but she did an organizational thing where she cleaned out her like makeup bookshelves and drawers and things, and she used a company called Vanity Collections. And I had like, I feel like I saw them before, but I'd never paid attention to them because they were in Australia. And I was like, I'm not buying nothing from Australia. That's far away. It's gonna take forever to get here. But over the past, I wanna say, maybe the past like 4 or 5 months, my makeup collection has gotten out of control. When I say, I mean out of control. It looks nice and, thing back there, but that's just because it's behind me. If you see everywhere around me, it looks crazy. Organization is not my strong part, and so when I get overwhelmed with things, like I usually am in the makeup room, I only come in here to film and then I shut the door and I pretend that it doesn't exist because that helps me. The makeup room is my wall of awful, but it's a room of awful that I can go in and out of. I usually just try to keep the vanity area clean so I can do my makeup, and then everything else is just everywhere else. I'm not even gonna show y'all pictures because it's embarrassing. So we digress, but I looked at hers and I was like, you know what? It's time to put up or shut up. Like, this room stresses you out, so it's time for you to organize it, okay? And so even though it's like the new year, it's not really the new year no more. It's February 20th. My goal for the year was to make sure that I can get this room organized. And so I'm going to attempt to do that today. So I ordered the Vanity Collection Divider Pack of 5, large, for the IKEA Alex 5-drawer with the XL VC brush holder with lid. And it all came in this huge box. I ordered it on, I feel like I ordered it February 1st and I got it February 18th. I got it Friday. Yeah, so I got it February 18th. So it says that it would come in 7 days, but it takes a long time. It took a long time to get out of Australia, and then it took like a day or two to clear customs in Los Angeles, and the day that it cleared customs, it got to me the next day. So I don't know what kind of voodoo they was doing, but once it came across the ocean, it was here, okay? And it just took a while to come across the ocean. So the first thing that we're going to open up is the brush collector, the brush holder. And then it also has this nice cover, because one of the things that I've noticed with doing my nails, the nail dust flies even when I have the nail dust collector going. There's some nail dust that still flies and it gets on my brushes, and so like I'm having to like make sure that all the acrylic is out of my brushes before I use them. So with this, it comes with a holder and a cover so that I don't have to worry about it. In this collection, since the drawer has 5 drawers, you can pick 5 different dividers to put in your drawers. I got 2 of these grid trays so that I could use them for like foundation or concealers or like anything long, about this long, that I need to put somewhere, because there are all of those all around there. So I bought one set 3 and one set 4. And then it also came with a lip divider. So the lip divider is what I'm actually the most excited about, because I have lip glosses and lipsticks everywhere. Let me just open this up and show you guys what it looks like. And these come very well packaged. They're in individual boxes. They're wrapped in bubble wrap and saran wrap. And then outside of the boxes are like foam board, tissue paper, anything just to help it so that it doesn't move around during transit. You can see it. There's a lot of packaging that's coming off. And it took a while for me to unbox everything. That's that. Let's get to organizing. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. Oh. All right, y'all. You can see a little bit of my clutter right here. Let's open up these drawers and see what we're working with, okay? So here we go. Y'all, these drawers are a mess. I'm definitely not maximizing my space, and since there's so much junk in the drawers, everything is on my actual vanity. So today we're just gonna do a little bit of organization, clean all this stuff up, and get me looking good for the new year, or for the rest of the year, because it's February. And now I am just spraying out the drawers with some Clorox and using some paper towel to wipe them down. Just get up any like excess dirt or hair, because there's hair everywhere, out of the drawers, making sure they're nice and clean so that I can begin to organize. This is the worst one, I think. Probably because there was a bunch of junk in there. They're all clean, so now we're going to start installing the organizers. The lip dividers in set 3 and 4, I had to build, and they were all very easy to build, as you can see here. It's just basically like finding the grooves and putting the acrylic in. And I'm just picking stuff up off my vanity that I have in little jars and containers. And so you'll see me go back and forth through the drawers fairly often, because I'm just trying to figure out where everything fits. For the lipsticks, I'm trying really hard to keep the brands together. That way I know something will be in a general area. And I think that that will help me out a lot. One critique that I do have is that when you are putting the products in, the ones all the way in the back are not seen at all. So make sure you put the things that you don't necessarily use all the time all the way at the back, and the ones that you're using all the time at the front. That way it just makes it easier on you. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that. It still looks a mess in here. Like, the table is really terrible, but I did purge a lot of things. I do have places to put things. I'm realizing that I probably should have gotten 2 of the small sections for like compacts. I should have got 2 of those instead of 2 of the flat trays or something. I don't know. I think I should have done something a little bit different. But now that I see how Vanity Collections things work, I can go and I can look on their website to see what supplemental things I need, and then just continue to, you know, get organized, because it's been a long time coming. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys had fun watching this. I don't know, people like watching things like this. And you know, just, you know, pray for me, because I'm gonna be up all night trying to clean this mess up. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm hot. My face still looks good though, so. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to like the video. Liking is the easiest and the least expensive way to support the channel. Be sure to click the subscription button and the notification bell to become a part of the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on YouTube, the Glam Fam, and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok at Glamazon1026. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey y'all, this is Duana, editing Duana, and I will say I have an update for you on the Vanity Collections collection that I bought. Now that I have used it, it is amazing. And when I say that, like, I knew it was amazing before because it helped me get organized, but I can see so many of my products, so I don't have to keep using the same things because they're out and in front of me. I can actually peruse and look and see what I have, and I love it. I love it. So if you have the means, go get these. You know, they got Afterpay and all of that stuff, like Klarna. You can do PayPal and Ford, whatever, PayPal credit, whatever you need to do to get them. If you have the means, you can get them. I really, really like them, and I appreciate how much more space it gives me in my makeup room, and it actually looks clean. Well, I won't say that because there's still a little bit more that we gotta do, but it looks a whole lot better. It looks like 80% better than what it was before. So that's all I have for that. All right, so I will see you guys next video, which is probably gonna be on this hair. Okay, I'll see y'all. Bye.